fall off. And remember now, this is the correct way. When the plugs are turned horizontal, plugs the socket only horizontal. The live wire was always live, was always at the top. So electrician out there, youngsters, this is for you. Because I know a lot of I get some good electrician from all over Jamaica. The aim is to have every district in Jamaica must have at least one registered electrician. Right? Not electrician just a service. Registered electrician, competent electrician, who are willing to read and do the thing the right way. So here's my cooker switch now, call it a 220 volt cooker switch, right? Incidentally, yesterday I went to collect a cooker switch of somebody. And the switch don't lock off, right? The electrician, whoever connect it, don't connect the switch right. So the switch can't lock off because they don't follow the guidelines. So that's the thing they're talking about, right? So now that you have a cooker switch, one of the first thing you check, this cooker switch that supply, the supply would be the feed. The live, right? The line coming in supply. And yet have the load will go into the equipment, right? So electrician note that because if you don't connect the switch right, the switch is not going to operate properly. So you connect it, and then when you switch it off, the light will still be on. So you have to ensure that, right? Electrician out there. So what I do now, as I say, right? So I'm now going to say this is my. Make sure I connect my ground. Maybe my ground conductor here. Ground conductor. And after I connect my ground conductor now, I am now going to go to my phase conductor. My line incoming. So look at the switch now, and if you said feed supply, so put one here. Supply, that is the supply. Coming from the breaker, supply, then connecting right. Next supply, here. So the 220 volt says 2 outlet. Then to make a 220 volt, 2 110 leg to outlet. Connect the next ground. And then now, so I say, this is for demonstration purposes. So this is my outgoing, this is my load, so this will be going out to this will be going out to the equipment, to the dryer, right? So now which is the load. So now go ahead now, and then you set up, put this conductor here. So that's my load, my outgoing, going to my equipment. In this case, this is where we're going to the dryer. No, for the water heater, for the water heater. For the water heater. The water heater normally, I would normally use 6 mm. Alright, we have the red tape. Alright, the red tape here. So the red tape would normally be on this. Alright, so for demonstration purposes, code thing, I'm just going to now put a piece of red tape to indicate that this is a phase conductor. Right, it's not operating as a neutral. Right? So you're trying to maintain the color. So alright, so that's it over from a water heater, 6 mm. Now this is an isolator. So normally an isolator would have for outdoor equipment, so like air condition, motor and so forth. Right, and pump. So normally again, so there's my earth bar there, connect my earth first, my earth connect here again, the earth terminal, my incoming supply. This isolator can be a 3-phase operator, but it's no currently being used as a single phase isolator. So 2 outlet in, 2 outlet out. I leave out the earth and leave out the river. So I connect now one in this side, one in this terminal here. And this isolator will be feeding my air condition. This isolator will feed my air condition. Alright? That is it. So now, alright, so now I have here now my receptacle now that is going to be controlled by my photocell. Right, so my photocell here now, remember now, electrician now, look at this now, you look at the receptacle. It has a silver screw and it has a copper screw. The silver screw is normally the neutral and it would be at the around, at the side around, the round piece. And the copper screw is now like the tongue in the middle piece there. So ensure, as I said now, ensure your polarity is right. So So now this is my photo cell now. So in America, this is the feed, the block. So this is my feed where I feed my photo cell. My neutral wire going to my photo cell, the white. Right? And this is my return red wire coming from my photo cell. So now I'm going to connect now my receptacle now. Right? So normally I connect the neutral first. So let's put the neutral around the by silver screw here. Right, to the side of the receptacle. So this is for demonstration purposes. Double studs out there. So the aim of this is to ensure that anywhere over Jamaica, any electrician, right, not doing anything right. A lot of people going to know this thing now, so they can't get away with it. Right? So I return now to my silver. Now my cup return over to the bronze screw now from my receptacle, which is the light, right, the hot fire. So here it is. So this is just to kind of show you demonstration process. So we're not going to cut it out, right? So let's see. Normally your neutral wire go on the side of the receptacle, the base, roll it, and then the tongue, the red wire by the tongue, the middle piece, right? And here now is my normally previously we were using a fluorescent lamp, but now we're not using fluorescent, we are using LED lamp. So LED lamp, they can either connect to the one side or two sides. So this is a two-side LED connection, right? So with a two-side LED, so one of the leads, these are the two incoming leads, right? So neutral, we can go, I just want for this purpose, I put the neutral on the white here. Right, and I normally like to use my twist lock. I don't normally like to use tape. So I want a good joint. So I use a twist lock here. Right. Put that side connect. A phase now which is black here. The phase for America is on the red. In Jamaica, red is phase. And I use a twist lock. And I ensure now the other thing, I ensure that all I see now electrician, all my metal boxes, as I said, they should be bonded, should be bonded. So here my ground screw metal bond, metal here, the ground screw here, metal here, bonded, metal here bonded, metal here bonded, metal here bonded, my panel bonded. So all metal non-carrying equipment, non-current carrying equipment underneath of the should be bonded, right? So now I have my switches here. Remember now intermediate switch has 4 terminals, 2 in total. So intermediate switch is supposed to use it within two-way switches to control a light from either 2 or 3 pointer. And my two-way switches here. Alright, and 2-way switches normally have 3 terminals. And if you look at it, right, one of the terminals is very black. The darkest one is normal, the load, the light, right? And the 2 other terminals come out where these are where the terminals are connected to, right? So 2-way switches, 3 terminal, intermediate switches, intermediate switches, 4 terminal, right? Isolator, 2 terminal in, 2 terminal out, right? Pilot light switch, cooker switch, 2 terminal, 220 in, the line side, 220 out, the load side, right? This is a, alright, this is a 220 volt switch, right? Cooker switch, plug-in switch for isolation. So everything I know does have the 2 terminal here. So I'm just going to put 1 terminal here at the kit. Okay, demonstration purposes electrician. 1 terminal there. So another terminal here. Okay, another terminal here. And my earth. So my earth terminal. Should have connected the earth first, but anyway, so what it is, and ensure that it is earth here. Right. So that is it for it. So now a 2-way switch. I'm just going to connect a 2-way. One of the 2-way switches here now. One of the 2-way switch now. And now, so this is the return to the light. Return two-way switch. That's the intermediate. Current going to the light. Going on the darker screw, darker terminal. Wrap the screw in the wire in the clockwise direction, and give the necessary torque. So this is now my travelers. So my travelers have I normally use now either two blue or two yellow. So distinguish travelers now from the live wire or the return. Travelers again. Purposes. My next traveler. That's my next traveler. And of course my switch has a ground screw here. So I've ground my box here. Alright. How much means for that?
25.
25? Alright, yes. So electrician, this is just to get the gist of it. Normally, to just maintain the proper, the color code, your pattern control, to your meter socket. Right, your meter motion with the panel here. And your socket outlet. Right, the GFCI circuitry, the GFCI receptacle. Right, and your intermediate switch. Right, so normally try to make it work as aesthetically and as presentable as I can. Use the necessary, use quality material, ensure the pipes are properly, bent and strut. The strut, you use the appropriate strut at the correct distance. Right? So continue to watch, follow, subscribe, and followers all over the globe. Electrician, right? So going forward, I know we're going to get a lot of well-trained, competent electricians coming from all the high schools and especially non-traditional high school. Coming to the trade, study the code, read the textbook. I think they'll be a good electrician. So we aim to have as much electrician as we can and plumber, right? And air condition, HVAC technician, so we can start to send away some of them, right? So continue to follow, watch, subscribe, and go on our website and get your education, your mock exams and other basic information. So until next time, continue to follow, watch and subscribe. Lock up.